Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download VMware ESXi from the official Broadcom website. Since VMware has moved to Broadcom, many people cannot find the ESXi download page. Don't worry, I'll show you the complete process step by step. To learn the complete method and successfully download the ESXi installation file yourself, make sure to watch this video until the end. Sign in with your Broadcom account. If you don't have an account yet, create one first. Click on My Downloads and select Free Software Downloads Available. Here, then scroll down to find VMware vSphere Hypervisor. That's it. You have successfully downloaded VMware ESXi from the official Broadcom website. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.